Welcome folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib and today we're going to show you this 274 Chaparral Bunkhouse. It's 2020. I don't know if you're familiar with Chaparral, but they do use the asdol. So this, all this sidewall, all of that is going to be protected for winter and mildew, what have you. This is a Chaparral Lite. Really nice coach here. Right away we can see our basement. This is a finished basement. Look at the aluminum frame. You can see all that good stuff in there, and it does have an auto level to it. Got your power awning right there with LED lights. And now again, these the sturdy stairs. These are the best ever. Okay, come on in folks, let me show you. Very welcoming coach right here folks. You got your love seat here, your dinette that also turns into a bed. It's a bigger one. We got a big fridge right there. Look at that. And like always, they make a joke that it fits a bear right there. You can see that. I like the height of it where you can see what's going on. Some of them is way up there. Not user friendly. This one's pretty cool. And as we walk in here, folks, look at that. We got the bunkhouse. It will fit probably 3 people with their gear. No problem. Got their AC, LED lights, and they got their windows. Pretty nice. As we go into the kitchen here, folks, lots of counter space. I like this idea right here also. You know, the microwave oven, big, huge TV. Look at that. And it sits right across from the dinette. We got the fantastic fan up there, which is a pretty nice option to have. Fireplace, that comes in handy. I promise you, it comes in handy. It's pretty cool. It works in power, not on propane. Let's go up here and show you the bedroom. As we go through the bedroom right here, you can see this shower that you can actually sit down here in this shower. Pretty cool enclosed shower. I like that a lot. As we go in, of course, we have over here your bedroom. This is a walk-around bed, which is pretty cool to have. You got your USB ports right there. You got a closet here, and this is the nice feature. Very huge, big closet, folks. That will come in handy. All right. So they utilized every inch in here. Let's go outside and show you some more. Most bunkhouse, they do come in with outside kitchen. This one does also. Right here we got your outside speakers. These are waterproof. You got plug-ins here, what have you, cable, TVs. That's the window for the bunkhouse. Look, there is 2 of them. Pretty cool. And here we go, your outside kitchen. You got your sink, got your stove, you got your smaller fridge, but it will do for camping, you know, having fun around the campfire. Again, we got a ladder up here that allows you to go up there and check on debris and what have you. It's pretty cool. The camera prep is camera ready, so you can attach a camera to it if you would like to. As we go through here, we got this nice slide. That's where the dinette is, and that's a big window right there. Pretty cool. Over here we got the outside shower. And again, the basement from the other end, and that's your auto level, folks. This is your auto level and your shut-off switch. Really nice stuff. Push a button, levels itself. You're good to go. Please give me a call with any questions. Again, my name is Dib, 541-515-1237. Thank you.